Hey guys, so today I am vlogging and I'm going to vlog all my Christmas fun. I'm going to decorate my house, set up my Christmas tree, and all the fun holiday spirit activities. So I've taken out all my holiday decor and I'm kind of just picking through stuff to see what I want to set up this year. This bin is just all my tree ornaments and this bin is all my Christmas decor. And my house smells like fresh Christmas trees right now because I have my favorite Christmas candle lit, and this is the fresh balsam from Bath and Body Works. I just bought a bunch on candle day, so I'm super excited for all those candles to get here. I went to HomeGoods earlier and I just wanted to pick up a couple Christmas decor items because I have this little console table that I wanted to put more Christmas decor on. So the first thing I got is this, like, what do you even call this? This candle holder decor, and it's super cool because so the little candle lights up, and I was planning to put this on my console table. So this is super cute. This was almost the only thing I got at HomeGoods because they didn't really have that much stuff there. Luckily, I walked around a little longer and found a couple other things that I wanted to get. I got this cute balsam fire tree. It's just like a little mini tree, so I'm gonna set this somewhere. And this was a little splurge item. This was $8, but look how cute it is. It says Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna find a spot for that later too. And the last item I got from HomeGoods is this cute car that's carrying a Christmas tree, and this was $7. Like, look how cute this is. Like, I just had to pick it up and it was only $7, so definitely gonna find a spot for this too. I also went to Target, but they were so picked through, so I actually didn't buy anything from Target, which was sad because my whole purpose of going out was to go to Target and hoping that they had good things at their little $5, $1 section, and they just didn't really have much this year. Anyways, I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree, and I usually do like either a gold theme or like a red theme, and I think I'm gonna go with red again this year because I just have a lot of red decor and it kind of just matches better, so that's what we're gonna do. This peppermint mocha nut pod cream is so good. It's super thick and creamy. So it doesn't have any sugar in it, so it's not sweet. So that's why I like to add like a little chocolate in my coffee, because I do like a little sweet. The hint of peppermint and mocha in my coffee is so good. I love this. So I want to do some lazy baking, and I call it lazy baking because I'm baking from the box, and this is just super easy and convenient. But I got this at the grocery store the other day, and it's a cranberry orange muffin mix, and this just sounds so yummy. So I'm gonna make some yummy muffins for breakfast. And I've had this muffin tin for so long, and I'm finally putting it to use. Like, I love to bake, I just don't really do it. Here they are. All right, let's see how good they are. Really good. So the glaze I made is called a zesty orange glaze. I wasn't gonna do it, but I had all the ingredients, so I was like, why not? It's super good. So for the zesty orange glaze, the recipe called for 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of orange juice, but I cut it in half because I knew I wouldn't want a glaze for all of them. But it's super good with or without the glaze. But this is like the perfect treat with a coffee. So I'm on my way to go see the Nutcracker for the first time, and I'm super excited. I just have to talk about this lip combo I'm wearing. Getting better lighting. So here is the lip color. It's super beautiful. So it's the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Iconic Nude. And then the e.l.f. Glossy Lip Stain in the shade Pinkies Up. Oh, it's so beautiful, and like it's fading and it's leaving like this beautiful natural stain like my lip color, but a little bit better. But anyways, I'm running behind like always, so I'm going to try and vlog a little bit while I'm out. And I also want to do a fit check because all this stuff is brand new that I got during the Black Friday sale. But these cute cropped Levi jeans, and they're a little bit stretchy. Then I got this bodysuit from Amazon, and I got this from H&M, and these shoes I've had for a while, but how cute. I really like the fit of these jeans and how they're stretchy. I just got this book on Amazon and it is so cute. I've been really into like thriller books lately, but romance books are definitely my favorite. And this one is so sweet. If you're looking for a cute romance book, I would look into this one. I finally got my Candle Day candles in the mail, and I'm so excited to go through all of them because I got so many great holiday Christmas candles. They actually packaged these pretty good. Before in the past, they didn't package them good at all and they would always come broken. Okay, so each is boxed, so I have to unbox all of them. So I finally got them all unboxed, and I got a total of 16 candles, so we're gonna be here for a minute. I did get a lot of doubles because there's like a bunch that I actually really like, so I couldn't just get one. So first I got 2 of the Winter Candy Apple candles, and this smells so good. It definitely reminds me of the holidays, and it has fragrance notes of red apples, Christmas grapes, pears, candied oranges. So it definitely has, I would say, like a nice fruity, fresh scent. So I got 2 of these. Then I got 2 of the frosted cranberry candles. These are so good. And I really love like the cranberry scent to these. They're just so amazing. And they actually make my whole house smell so good. Every candle day, I always get a bunch of the mahogany teakwood intense candles. I only got 2 this time, but I really love this scent. This is like my top 3. And it just smells so masculine and fresh. I love it. I had to get a champagne toast candle. I love this scent. It's just so good, so fruity. The foaming hand wash in this scent is one of my favorites. So I got 1 of the iced winter balsam candles, and this smells so good. I don't know how to describe it. It's not as intense as the fresh balsam candle. It's almost more fruity. So this frozen eucalyptus, sugar pine, and fresh balsam. This smells amazing. I'm excited to see how this lights and how the scent is in the house. This is also one of my top 3 favorite candles, especially during the holidays, but it is the fresh balsam candle. And this one's fragrance notes are woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir bushes, and cedarwood. Love these. I got 2 of the flannel candles. Oh, I love how these smell. They're just so amazing. And there are 2 different packagings. So let's see if they smell the same. Okay. Yeah, they smell pretty similar. I would say this one has a stronger scent though. And I love how it has the actual flannel packaging. But this has notes of fresh bergamot, heirloom, mahogany, and soft musk. Love, love, love. Always have to pick these up during the holidays. Then I got this under the Christmas tree candle. Ooh, I don't know if I love this scent. It's not horrible, but it's just very mild and like almost smells like dirty trees. I don't know. But this has scents of fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. I think it's that vanilla eggnog that's throwing me off. It's not horrible, but not my favorite. And the last 3 candles I got are all like super Christmassy candles. So this one is the Perfect Christmas. Look how fun that packaging is. Just so cute. This one smells so Christmassy. Fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow. Then I got a 'Tis the Season candle. Out of all these Christmas candles, this one's definitely my favorite. It's more of like a fruity scent, so it has rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. I really like candles that have that apple scent. It's just so amazing. And the last candle is called Bright Christmas Morning. I might actually like this on Christmas morning. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's very mild. It almost reminds me of the frozen cranberries, but even more mild than that one. This one has fragrance notes of ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. Very, very yummy. Love. And that is all the candles I got. You stuck around to the end of this vlog. I appreciate you. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next one.